Starting on the right side, we go into calf stretch. Heel down, lean forward on the left to feel it in the soleus and the gastrocnemius. From there, we go into quad stretch. Make sure the knees are together. Here we go into hamstring stretch. Right leg is straight, left leg is bent. Now to the glute stretch. Go down deep in a sitting position. Now we're going up to the waist and the spine, stretching over. Coming onto the lats and the back, pull hard. Reverse it, opening the chest and the clavicle and the shoulders. Now we go to shoulder stretch, bicep stretch, tricep stretch. Finally onto the neck and the traps, and repeat everything on the left side.